con los terroristas.
And do the Harlem Shake.
Con los terroristas.
Costa Rica is located with the Cocos Plate to its south. There is a massive drop when you hit the Continental Ridge on the side of the plate to the south of the country. Costa Rica has 212 total kilometers of coastline on the Caribbean coast and 1,016 kilometers on the Pacific coast. Here's a photo of the Playa Hermosa and its eroded features from the Rio Tulin. Here's a photo of the Punta Judas coastal features to the south. An investigation into scholarly writing revealed that the northern coast of Pacific Costa Rica is strongly influenced by seasonal upwelling events that naturally increase nutrient concentrations between December and March. Overfishing of the area has resulted in herbivore exclusion and natural eutrophication and a strong influence on the benthic reef community composition. This has caused a problem throughout Costa Rica and can be solved if overfishing was to be corrected.
Punta Arenas, which is on the Pacific coast of Costa Rica, has a maximum tidal range of 3.60 meters or 11.8 feet. From 3:39 to 9:39 in this map, the tide dropped from 8.9 feet to 0.1 meters or 0 feet. This side, which is the Pacific coast, has a semi-diurnal tidal frequency. On the Caribbean coast, the max tidal range is only 0.61 meters or 2 feet, which classifies the coast of the Caribbean as microtidal. There are 10 major coral reefs in Costa Rica, the biggest and most popular being Gundaco, Manzanillo, Punta Cajita, which is on the southern Caribbean coast, the Cano Islands, which is on the Osa Peninsula, El Bajo del Diablo, which is the Rock of the Devil, Cueva del Tiburon, which is the Cave of the Sharks, is also in the Osa Peninsula, the Coral Gardens, Paraiso, Marenco Rock, Catalina Islands, and the Gulf of Papagayo. There are several mangrove swamps, some being Santa Rosa National Park, Las Balas National Park, Hacienda Baru, Osa Peninsula, Taraba, Sierpe, Gandoca, Manzanillo Wildlife Refuge, and Cajita National Park. Playa del Rey, Playa Matalo, and the small ones can be found anywhere a river meets the sea.
Costa Rica has 35 rivers flowing into the Atlantic and 28 rivers flowing into the Pacific. Now I'm going to move on to the beautiful Playa Negra in Cayajita, Costa Rica. The Playa Negra is a humid tropical forest that has some swamp areas that are mostly mangrove swamps. This region is very rainy and doesn't have a well-defined dry season. It also has the highest humidity in the country, which ranges between 84% and 88%. And the temperature along the coast changes all through the year between 20 degrees Celsius to 31 degrees Celsius. There are also high rainfall rates from 2,500 millimeters to 3,000 millimeters. There are 123 kinds of fish swimming in the ocean connected with the Playa Negra, like the angelfish, the Isabelita, the blue parrotfish, the barracuda, the manta ray, and 3 types of sharks.
My paper covers Pavones, Costa Rica. Pavones has a wetter climate than the North Pacific coast. It has rainy seasons and only the summer. Normally around 75 degrees on land, and the sea is normally 80 degrees. The average tidal range for Pavones, Costa Rica is 2.77 meters at its high, which is mesotidal, and at its low it is 0.26 meters, which is microtidal. Pavones, Costa Rica has a mixed semi-diurnal tidal frequency. Pavones has the second longest left breaking wave in the world. This wave starts with a south swell that pushes into the Gulf of Dulce from the Pacific Ocean, squeezing between the southern tip of the Osa Peninsula and Pavones on the mainland, where it collides with a rocky point that spins off the famous lip. It is typically 400 to 900 meters, or 1,312 feet to 2,952 feet, or at the longest 0.55 miles. Surfers normally ride this wave for about 2 or 3 minutes. In Pavones, Costa Rica, you can normally find sea turtles, dolphins, sharks, and many more marine animals. Many surfers go to Pavones, but not many tourists because it is very difficult to get there and it is isolated.